Venmo banking service honest review. Watch before using. Most people get peer-to-peer payments wrong. They think Venmo is just for splitting bills. Venmo's banking service adds checking accounts, debit cards, and direct deposits, making it a full financial solution. The surprising truth is how seamlessly you can manage money digitally. You won't believe how convenient it is for everyday spending. Here's how it works. Venmo users can link direct deposit, pay bills, and use a debit card for purchases everywhere MasterCard is accepted. The app tracks transactions, sends instant notifications, and categorizes spending to help users budget. For example, freelancers or part-time workers can get paychecks directly on their Venmo account and use the card immediately without waiting for bank processing times. Most people get this wrong. They assume peer-to-peer apps can't replace a bank, but Venmo covers most everyday banking needs. Venmo also offers instant transfers to external accounts and security features like two-factor authentication and biometric login. However, there are considerations. Some transactions, like instant transfers, incur small fees, and Venmo accounts may have limits on large payments. Most people assume no fees at all. It's convenient, but not entirely free. In conclusion, Venmo's banking service is perfect for users seeking an app-based banking experience with peer-to-peer payments, direct deposits, and debit card access. It's fast, transparent, and user-friendly. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of modern banking and fintech apps.